Right car on the far side. Right dress.
That's front. The right number.
For us, it's not just fires. It's achieving our purpose of safer people and safer places. It's making sure we can do our job when we need to. It's getting the right people to the right place at the right time.
Fire service, what's the address of the emergency?
It's doing everything we can to make a difference. It's going that extra mile. It's making our communities safer. All of our communities. No matter what stands in our way. We'll be there to protect you. At Leicestershire Fire and Rescue Service, it's not just fires, but we'll be ready when it is.